Today I am going to show you how to add three fractions with unlike denominators. So we have three fractions 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 5. How we can add these three fractions with different denominators. So first of all, we have the denominators 3, 4 and 5. So if we multiply them, it will become 3 times 4 times 5. It will become equal to 60. Okay, 60. So we have to make denominator 60. So for this one, for example, we multiply the denominators of the second and third fraction with the first one. So we multiply 4 and 5, it will become 20. So we multiply 20 over 20 with the first term 1 over 3, then plus we have, now we multiply these two denominators 3 and 5 and then multiply it with the second term, so it will become 15 over 15 multiplied by 1 over 4. Now we multiply these two denominators, so it will be 3 times 4 is 12. So we multiply 12 over 12 with the last term. So we have 12 over 12 multiplied by 2 over 5. So now when we multiply 20 by 1, it will be 20 over 20 times 3 is equal to 60, plus we have 15 times 1 15 over 15 times 4 is 60, plus we have 12 times 2 is 24 and 12 times 5 is 60. So now denominators are same, so we just need to add the nominators. So we have 20, 15 and 24. So we just add them together. So it will be when we add them together, when we add them together, 20 plus 15 plus 24, it will become 59. So we have 59 over 60. So this is our answer.